Multi Engineering College. My project is Arun Kumar, Pralad, Marigandan. Project Guide, Dhananjaya, Project Coordinator, DK Mani. In project company, Hindustan Automation Solutions, Bombay. In our project, gathered high-speed inverter. In nowadays, for lot of harmonics, there lot of harmonics are many damages in application. How to reduce the how to save the application? Harmonics are multiples of frequencies are there. So how to reduce the frequencies? These STATCOMs are the used. The STATCOM, the static compensator, the compensate the voltage. These STATCOM is the distribution STATCOM. This STATCOM fixed in the distribution side. They are reducing the voltages. So this is the single phase cascade high-speed inverter. In this project, the fixed in the one system, the harmonics are reduced. The 49.4% the harmonics are the reduced.
We can explain the project is in power supply. We give the power supply in 230 volt, 2 transformer. This is step-down transformer. 12 volt and 9 volt step-down transformer. So give the supply to the microcontroller. PIN controller 16F87S. This is self-programming. And to supply, 2 supplies are going to the PIN controller. PIN controller. This is self-programming controlling. This is control to the driver circuit. The driver circuit will control the inverter circuit.
This is a driver circuit. This first the operating is a HCF IC. It's a non-inverting IC. What is the purpose of the IC used? IC is the logic level conversion. First of all, the logic level conversion, the microcontroller input is given to the HCF IC. So the logic level conversion 0 or 1 also, 1 that only input. So the logic level conversion input is 0 or 1. The output is given to the electrical signal. The output is given to the opto-isolator IC. It's a MCT2E IC. It's a opto-isolator IC. It's the IC purpose are different potential to achieved. So the different potential energy achieved using the MCT2E IC. Then the different potential will be gathered. The IC, the output of the it's a 16 IC. So the output will be given to the transistor. The transistor is working is amplify the source voltage. So the amplify the signal. Number of capacitors also used to boost up the operation.
Next we are going to see about the inverter section. This is called multi-level inverters. Inverters are the electronic device used to convert the fixed DC voltage into AC supply. In our power electronic device, there are different types of multi-level inverters are used. In our project, cascade high-speed supply, because it is very simple and low switching. By using 8 MOSFET switches, we can design this output circuit, and this is also called as STATCOM. The output will seen in the CRO. In CRO we can see the 5 levels of output in our CRO. We can reduce up to 48.4% of harmonics in this project.
This is the manual calculation of each total harmonic distortion. The harmonic percentage will be reduced. Distortion of our project is 48.4% of the distortion. The conclusion of the project is to reduce the harmonic and compensation of the reactive power, and the power factor also maintain this project. So it will be cost base is very low, and then simplicity. Then the project flexibility, and then the level of the increase the level of inverter, the voltage level also increase. Thank you.
Thank you.